lesson number 11. Well, that lesson is basically about negation. How can you make negative sentences? We have learned, in articles kind and kine for accusative and
Yeah.
imperative case. But here we
Nine.
will use them. Okay. So basically, there are three possible ways that we can make a negative sentence. So that are nein, nicht, and kind. So this is a basically base form is kind, and then we sometimes use kine also. That depends upon if we are using plurals, or you can say feminine articles. The for feminine article we write basically the frau. So if you want to make negative sentence for feminine noun, then we can use kine. Otherwise, for masculine and neuter nouns, we write only kind. So we're gonna start with first nine. We have learned yes no questions. So the same criteria that we have used there, that we use here for nine, make a negative sentence. Isst du Brot? Mean are you eating bread? Nine, comma. Ich will lieber Pizza essen. Mean I prefer to eat pizza. So these are yes no questions that we have learned. So here we're just revising them for negative questions. Ist das ein Stuhl? Is it a chair? Nein, das ist ein Tisch. No, this is a table. Kommen Sie aus Berlin? Are you from Berlin? Nein. Or you can say, are they from Berlin? Nein. Sie kommen aus München. No, they are from Munich. So we have here, comma. Ist das Museum links? Nein, das Museum ist rechts. No, the museum is on the right side. Kommst du aus Schweden? Nein, ich komme aus Österreich. So I'm from Austria. Hast du Freizeit? Nein, ich lese nur. No, basically.
Reading.
This is a very simple way that we have learned already. Just add nine at the start and comma, and then you can write the remaining part of the sentence to make a negative sentence. Next one is an important concept that we have nicht, means to negate any sentence. We use basically nicht for don't, do not, is not, or are not. That we use basically in English. So in German we use nicht for all of them. So we use basically nicht after the verb. Sometimes we use nicht to negate nouns also, but we basically most of the time we will negate verbs and adjectives. Adjectives we will learn later on, so we can add the negation later on. Now we will just learn about verbs and nouns negations. So this is a word order. If you want to place nicht, means you have subject, verb, and object. In between, after verb, we place nicht. That means do not, does not, or is not, or not. So for these cases in English, we just place there one word, that is nicht. For example, ich spiele nicht. Ich lerne means I do not play, I'm studying. Here I'm just adding nicht after this verb. So that we have to remember. Wir warten nicht. We are not waiting.
Waiting.
Means after verb. Er schwimmt. He doesn't swim. Morgen arbeitet mein Vater nicht. My father does not work tomorrow. This is a reverse word order. Basically, I have start word sentence with non-subjective word. The same sentence is here. Mein Vater arbeitet nicht morgen. So again means here when I write a normal statement, we are using nicht after verb. Reverse word order means when we basically start sentence with non-subjective word, our verb will be at second position then. In this situation, we can use nicht, for subject. But when you write normal statement, should be after verb. Das ist nicht ein Buch. This is not a book. Nein, ich wohne nicht in Hamburg. No, I do not live in Hamburg. In all these examples, we have seen that we use nicht after verb. Next case is when we negate noun by using nicht. For human nouns in German, they don't have articles. Like my name is Farooq. I don't write article with my name. Any human being name, we don't write article in German. So in this situation, if you want to negate a noun, human noun, then you will place there nicht because human nouns do not have articles. So we will not use any other negation here. Das ist nicht Usman. This is not Usman. You can say sie heißt nicht Mari. Her name is not Mari. So again, these two nouns, they don't have any articles. Okay. So in this
Yeah.
situation, we have to use nicht. We can't use here kind and keine. Why we use here? Because they are articles. We have learned in the table. This is a negative article. This is masculine. This is feminine. So as we have mentioned that with human beings we don't use articles. So kind and keine are basically articles. That's why I can't use here das ist kein Usman or das ist keine Mari. We can't write that. We just use nicht for human beings. Okay. With other nouns,
Yeah.
we will use keine that we can check here now. So we know that we use kind basically with there and thus nouns mean with neuter and masculine nouns we use kind, and for the means feminine nouns and plural nouns we use keine. So these are two conditions for negations. So we use articles basically in German just before the noun. For example, ein Mann, eine Frau. So we can write kein Mann or keine Frau. So the same, you just replace that indefinite article or definite articles with negative article. That's all. So in this situation, we can check few examples here. Das ist kein Buch. This is not a book. That is basically das Buch. That's why we write here kein. And you have to write
Yeah.
just the noun. We can also write here ein. For example, remove this, that becomes ein. Das ist ein Buch. This is a book. So if you write K, that becomes kein Buch. Okay?
Yeah.
Das sind keine Bücher. These are not books. So we write here basically now keine for plural now. This is a plural. So that's why I would write here keine. Okay?
Yeah.
Habe keinen Freund. I do not have friends. Why I have written here keine? Keinen.
Kind and
Their Freund. This is a their noun. So that means this is a
yeah.
masculine. This is a basically objective case. Means accusative case here. This is subject and this is object. So we change object in accusative case. So just I write, for example, here einen. Ich habe einen Freund. I have one friend. So again, I can write here keinen for negation. You can also write here then. Their change into then. That is specific art, noun.
Yeah.
Definite. And this is einen is a indefinite. And I write here k. That becomes basically a negative article. So in accusative we only change one article, that is masculine. There is a definite noun that change definite article that change into then, and ein change into einen indefinite article, we write en. And the same with kein, we write en keinen. This is base form, and I just add there one en. You get this point? Ich habe keine Freunde. I don't have friends. So this is a plural noun. Die Freunde means, and we write here keine for plurals. Es gibt keine Bananen. That is a plural also. So that's why we write here keine. There are no bananas. Ich habe keine Lampe. I don't have any lamps. Das ist kein Stuhl. This is not a chair. This is basically, it should be here keinen Stuhl because this is that is a masculine noun. Wir fahren kein Auto. We don't drive a car. Kein I written because this is a das Auto. This is a neuter noun. So you can check the table that we have seen earlier, the last lesson. about both
Yeah.
accusative and nominal. It will become quite clear there. Ich habe keinen Teppich. I don't have a carpet. So if I want to write here
Yeah.
definite article, what should be for Teppich? Teppich means a carpet. It should have there
There. Yeah.
and identify from here. Keinen. That means this is a masculine noun. Okay. So nicht versus kein or keine. There are two basic rules that you can keep in mind when negating something in German. If word is a noun, you have to use kein because with before noun we write articles. So this is a basically article and negative article, except human nouns. Any noun, for example, Robert, Akash, Kale, Mari, Anna. So these are all human nouns. We can't use their kind. We have to use their nicht. Otherwise, with all other nouns we use kind or kind. For other all other parts of the speech, for example, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, possessive pronouns, definite articles, we use their nicht. Today we have learned only this one with verbs. We use nicht with verbs.
Yeah.
Place nicht after verb exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
So means we use kind basically for appropriate ending depending upon the gender of the noun. For feminine and plural nouns, you write kind. So I think last one we have here nicht. Nichts s with nicht. That means nothing. Ich trinke nichts means I drink nothing. That is not quite common. That we you can go if you find somewhere that means nothing, and you can place like after verb. Otherwise, most probably we will use kein and keine and nicht. These are three negations. Do you have any questions or
No,
negations?
no.